Now let's discuss a method on how to find an Euler path and Euler circuit. It's called Fleury's algorithm. Okay? It says if Euler's theorem indicates the existence of a path or a circuit, one can be found using this procedure. If the graph has exactly two odd vertices, choose one of the odds as a starting point. If the graph has no odds, you can choose any index. Okay, that one will help you find the circuit. Number the edges as you trace through the graph according to the following rules. After you have traveled an edge, erase it. Okay? It says show the erased edge as a dashed line. Okay? When faced with a choice of edges to trace, first choose any edge that is not a bridge, and this is important. A bridge is an edge whose removal will make it a disconnected graph. So you want to travel over the bridge only if there's no alternative. So let's look at one that they did. On this one, they said use Fleury's algorithm to find one of the Euler circuits. Now, all of these have evens, okay? So I believe on the next slide, they're going to choose to start with A. So let's look at it. They went from A to D. So that's their first one, A to D. That's their step one, and then they took this out. Okay, that was not a bridge. The next thing they choose to do is to go from D to C. Okay, this is also not a bridge. There are other ways to get to this. So D to C would be their second step. Then they chose to go from C to F. That's their third, also not a bridge. Now here they had to really think about it. Because if you go from E to F, that's a bridge. You only want to remove that as a last resort. You could go from F to B, that's not a bridge, and F to D, that's not a bridge. They chose to go from F to D for step 4. Now we're here at D. All of these dotted lines are gone. Okay, we only have one choice here. We're going to have to go from D to B. It doesn't matter that it's a bridge. That's your only choice. Then our only choice left would be B to F, which they did over here. Okay, so this was 5. This step is 6. We only have a couple choices left. 7 has to be F to E. 8 has to be E to C. And 9 has to be C to A. And that gave us our Euler circuit. So it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and that creates the circle.